Section 2, Review. Number 12. A farm implement mechanic worked 52.5 hours this week. If the mechanic's regular hourly pay is $12.60 an hour, what will be his take-home pay for the week? Assume a standard 40-hour work week, and the overtime pay rate is time and a half. Our strategy to find his take-home pay is to find the regular pay for the 40-hour week plus the overtime pay at the increased rate of time and a half. The regular pay we'll find first. That's his $12.60 per hour times the 40-hour standard work week. I'll use a calculator to help with that. I have $12.60 times the 40 hours in a standard work week, and I see that he would earn $504 for the standard 40-hour work week. Next, I will find his overtime rate. To do that, I'll take the standard rate of $12.60 and increase it by multiplying it by a factor of time and a half. In mathematical terms, that would be 1.5 or 1.5 in decimal form. So let's have the calculator help us with that. $12.60 times 1.5. So his overtime rate is $18.90 per hour. Now he worked more than just the 1 hour overtime. Let's go back and see how many hours of overtime he put in. Above and beyond the standard 40 hours, he has another 12.5 hours of overtime, bringing him up to a total of 52.5. So to find his overtime pay, I'm going to multiply the rate, $18.90 an hour, times the 12.5 hours of overtime that he put in above and beyond the 40-hour work week. The calculator can help us. I have my $18.90 still showing on my screen, and I'll multiply it by 12.5 hours. That gives me the extra overtime pay of $236.25. All we have left to do now is to add the regular pay plus the overtime pay to get the total that he can take home for the week. So we have $504 added to the overtime of $236.25. I already have the overtime showing on my screen, so I will simply add the regular pay plus 504 equals a total of $740.25 for this mechanic to take home for the week.